Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove uploaded files from ChatGPT. So luckily, recent updates have made it a lot easier to access all your files in one place, and that's going to be through the library window. So we can go ahead and click on the library button at the left hand side of our screen, as you can see here, and this is pretty much where all your uploaded and generated files and images will show up. So as you can see, I've got a spreadsheet right here that, let's say, I want to delete because it contains sensitive information. So to do so, all I would have to do is mouse over the item, click on the context menu that appears at the right side, and then click on delete. So it's going to ask you to confirm. Once you click on the delete button once again, it should be removed from your chats and your chat history. There you go. So as you can see, now my library is empty. So it's really that easy and really convenient compared to before, where you had to manually sift through your conversation and take a look at the files and delete them individually that way. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.